Good morning, grade 4 students. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Our lesson for today is Top Stars Part 2. Let's start. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the rule of the superlative form of adjectives. Use the rule of the superlative form of adjectives in speaking and writing. You will find this lesson in your student's book, pages number 104, 105, and workbook pages number 108, 109. It's time to start our presentation. Open up your student's book, page number 104, and focus on activity 2. I want you to pause this video and read the story silent reading. Welcome back. Let's find the answers for the following questions. Let's start with frame number 1. Who is Ali?
Ali is Rashid's cousin. He is the funniest person in the family.
Frame 2. How old is Rashid's grandpa?
He's 72. He is the oldest person in the family.
Is Kamal the oldest person in Rashid's family?
No, he isn't. He's the youngest.
Frame 3. What does Rashid's uncle do?
He's a scientist. He's the most intelligent person in the family.
Frame 4. Why isn't Rashid in the family photo?
Because he was at the dinner table eating. He's the hungriest person in the family.
Great job, Ahmed. Now let's read the logbox. Open your student's book, page number 105.
Look! Linda is the youngest student in the class. Ron is the best student of all. Small, smaller, the smallest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Scary, scarier, the scariest. Dangerous, more dangerous, the most dangerous. But good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Much, many, more, the most.
What you notice there? What do you think about the highlighted words? Pause this video and think about these two questions. Welcome back. Today we will learn about the superlative form of adjectives. We use the superlative form of adjectives when we compare one person, animal, or thing with several of the same kind. Let's learn more about it. Let's start with the short adjectives that have one syllable. For these adjectives, we add the before the adjective and est at the end of the adjective. I want you to have a look at this table for the short adjectives in the comparative and superlative form. Let's read it together. Strong, stronger, the strongest. Tall, taller, the tallest. Young, younger, the youngest. Short, shorter, the shortest. Small, smaller, the smallest. Can you spot the superlative form? Well done. and to make a sentence in the superlative form using short adjective, you need to follow this structure. You will start your sentence with a noun or subject plus verb plus the plus adjective. Let's have some examples. The gazelle is tall. The zebra is taller than the gazelle, but the giraffe is the tallest. The first boy is strong. The second boy is stronger than the first boy, but my dad is the strongest. Let's learn another case of the short adjectives. If the adjective has a consonant plus single vowel plus consonant spelling, the final consonant must be doubled before adding the ending. Let's have some examples. Thin, the thinnest. Big, the biggest. Fat, the fattest. Sad, the saddest. Let's check the table together. Fat, fatter, the fattest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Thin, thinner, the thinnest. Sad, sadder, the saddest. Can you spot the superlative? Great job! Let's have some examples. The whale is the biggest. The boy with the yellow t-shirt is the thinnest. Let's learn the two-syllable adjectives. For adjectives ending in Y, change the Y to an I before adding the ending. Let's read the table together. Silly, sillier, the silliest. Busy, busier, the busiest. Happy, happier, the happiest. Heavy, heavier, the heaviest. Easy, easier, the easiest. Can you spot the superlative? Well done! Let's have some examples. The elephant is the heaviest. English is the easiest. And here we come to a tricky part, the irregular adjectives. And they are tricky because they do not follow the same rules explained before. That's why you need to memorize them. Let's have some examples. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Much, more, the most. Many, more, the most. Far, farther, the farthest. Far, farther, the farthest. Can you spot the superlative? Well done! Let's have some examples. I got the best mark in the test. I got the worst mark in the test. And here we come to the last part, the long adjectives that have two or more syllables. Adjectives with three or more syllables can form the superlative by putting most in front. Let's have some examples for the long adjectives. Popular, more popular, the most popular. Boring, more boring, the most boring. Exciting, more exciting, the most exciting. Interesting, more interesting, the most interesting. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. Dangerous, more dangerous, the most dangerous. Can you spot the superlative? Well done. And to make a sentence in the superlative form using long adjectives, you need to follow this structure. You'll start your sentence with noun or subject plus verb plus the most plus adjective. Let's have some examples. Reading is the most interesting hobby. Snowboarding is the most dangerous sport. Let's practice. Open your student's book, page number 105, activity number 5. Ask and answer questions with your partner. Let's listen to the given example.
Who's the funniest person in your family?
My sister is the funniest person in my family.
And now I want you to pause this video and find a partner to help you ask and answer questions using the adjectives in the blue box. Welcome back. Let's listen to our friends Ahmed and Noura. Who is the most intelligent person in your family?
My dad is the most intelligent person in my family. Who is the youngest person in your family?
My brother is the youngest person in my family. Who is the shortest person in your family?
My sister is the shortest person in my family.
Great job! Let's practice again. Open your workbook, page number 108, activity number 2. Look and complete. Use the superlative form. In this activity, you will look at the pictures and complete the sentences with the superlative form of adjectives in the blue box. The first one has been done for you as a model. Let's read it together. Kevin is the funniest student in the class. Let's do number 2 together. Gary is the shortest student in the class. I want you to pause this video and do the rest of this activity by yourself. Welcome back. 3. Turner is the tallest student in the class. 4. Gavin is the most intelligent student in the class. Alan is the best student in the class. Great job! Let's practice again. Open your workbook, page number 108, activity number 3. Read and complete. Use the comparative or the superlative form. The first one has been done for you as a model. Let's read it together and highlight the keywords. Ice hockey is more popular than football at our school. It's the most popular sport of all. I want you to pause this video and do the rest of this activity by yourself. Welcome back. Let's check your answers together. 2. Fatima thinks the turtle is the slowest animal in the world. 3. Are dolphins more intelligent than sharks? I will keep 4 and 5 for you as homework. Let's do another activity. Write 3 sentences using the comparative and the superlative forms of adjectives. I want you to pause this video and think about this activity. Welcome back. Let's listen to our friend Ahmed.
The ostrich eggs are the biggest eggs in the world. The elephant is stronger than the gorilla. The lion is the most dangerous animal.
Great job. What about you? Don't forget to share your ideas with your friends and teachers. At the end of this lesson, I would like to thank all of you. See you next time. Bye bye.